Join, the password is hot.
Obviously.
Join Waterwood, the password is hot. Join. Yeah.
Obviously. Obviously. Lost
Obvious.
connection. Wow. Everybody please panic.
Oh! Come on, hurry up. Bring
I'm
me my coffee,
trying.
boy.
It's
Bring
not
me
my
my...
fault.
Bring me my
Yes,
coffee, boy.
Petunia.
Oh! That was you. I don't care what you say. Oh my god, are you saying we're finally gonna start the main video after 12 minutes and 34 seconds? Oh! Oh, get over here, piece of crap. Does that...
Whoa, get over here, you piece of crap.
Wait, does that mean we need to do the intro now?
Yeah. Wait, what? How does the intro go?
Hey guys, this is Wario Gamer 94. Okay, this is Scarfy 101 with the Diamond Gamer 94 for the first time in forever. Playing Terraria! What do you have to say about this? Diamond.
Why?
What?
Why?
What do you mean why?
Did you really have to say it like that?
No! No, I didn't. But wait, you know I suck at intros now.
Yeah, same here, and you don't see me complaining.
Okay, get your stupid ass over here. We're
Nah,
no. Get the fuck over here. No, we gonna fight.
Nope.
Get those stupid.
Nope.
Whoa!
Nope. See ya.
Whoa!
See ya, buddy.
Whoa! Wait, what are we gonna do though? Stop!
Wanna work on the track?
Do I have to?
I mean, it's better than nothing.
Also, I like how we were calling each other Wario and Waluigi like normal before the intro.
Dude!
What? Who cares?
Why'd you say that?
Who cares?
Why?
Who cares? Ah, yes,
Yep.
we are traveling into hell on earth. Oh wait.
Oh shit. Dude, you're lagging.
Wait, what?
Wait, how do I get out? Never mind.
Oh.
Okay, so let me. Did you?
Yeah, I did a little.
Let's just cut that part out.
Nah.
Yeah. Now you. Oh my god.
Oh wait, I forgot to get the powder. I forgot to get the powder.
Oh, you mean the
crack
you
cocaine.
know. Yeah, the crack cocaine.
Yeah, I forgot the crack cocaine, I'm sorry.
You forgot the crack cocaine?
Yeah, I may have forgotten.
Oh my gosh.
I may have forgotten the crack cocaine, I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Idiot.
Well, I'll buy some right now.
Weirdo.
And 20 should be enough, right? No? Okay, I'll buy more.
Where even
34.
are you?
Oh, I had to travel all the way back.
I forgot you're a noob at this game too.
No, well...
Let me just get to this fast. Kinda looks like you in the mirror.
Wait. Also, you wanna know what this is? This entire tunnel right here. You wanna know what this is?
What?
We did some off-camera mining.
I'm a stronger ass. Wait.
What?
Forget what I just said.
What? Why?
I totally didn't say I said I had a stronger axe. I meant I had a stronger pickaxe.
Ah!
Oh my god, there's a blood spider.
Hey, look, it's you in the mirror.
Get your ass over here.
No!
I can't mind this crap. What's that thing called again?
Crack cocaine?
Oh, you use crack cocaine?
Yeah, crack cocaine.
What's it actually called?
Crack cocaine.
What's it actually called? I'm scared. I want my mommy.
Shut your stupid sissy ass up.
Oh wait, that's your job. Don't you love the sound of blood spiders?
Yeah, what about you?
Yeah, they are
Not
so
gonna lie.
soothing.
You get used to this stuff after a while. You get used to the blood spiders and stuff after a while. Like they're horrifying at first, but you get used to them.
Yep, screw it. I'm going in. What is that?
Oh!
I
wanted
I
the
got.
gold coin.
Wait, I got a gold coin. Don't be such a baby.
I want.
Oh, I got a shine potion.
Mine, mine.
It's diamond to you.
Fine diamond. I don't care about your gay ass name. Get the hell out of here.
I'm not gay. It's your job to be gay.
No, it's your job.
It's your job to be gay.
Wait, there's one thing we can all agree on.
What?
That ain't my job or your job. You wanna know whose job it is?
Who's?
Jade's.
No.
Excuse me. Excuse me.
Wow, that was weak.
Sorry, I just yawned.
Because of how boring this is.
I just got bored of your entire conversation. You suck at speeches.
Alright, there, I'm recording again now that I can talk again. Oh, there's one. Wait. Diamond.
What?
We're out of tracks. You know what that means?
We get more tracks.
Yeah, okay, so while you keep digging... No, you stay. While you keep digging, I go like the rich... No! Also, I need to get more powder.
We got a situation here.
What do you mean?
We got a situation.
What's the situation?
What? Huh?
What's the situation?
Situation? Situation.
What's the situation here, boyo?
We got a situation here.
What do you mean?
I found a heart.
What do you mean you found a heart?
I found another heart.
What do you mean you found another heart?
Another healing heart.
Did you steal it?
Yes.
Stupid, I need it. Wait. Actually, do I need it?
Boy, you have like 10 times more hearts than I do.
I only have 260 in What? I need more.
Yeah, but he's only this big. How much could he possibly use? Ah, that's not too much. So?
What can't be beat?
A dead dipper.
Stop! What can't be beat?
A dead horse.
A dead scorpion. What can't be beat?
Wait, no, a dead whore.
Wait, I got a better one. What can't be beat? A dead Jake.
Oh, wait, no, I got a way better.
What?
Wait, I don't know, but here it is. What can't be beat? A dead Bluey.
Oh my god, you're right about that one in every possible way.
And if Bluey watches this video,
Which he probably won't.
So, yeah, he'll probably feel bad about himself.
Nah, that's very unlikely. He just doesn't like watching other people's stuff.
You really?
Yeah.
No wonder he didn't say crap about my videos.
Yeah, he's never really watched anything you ever sent him. He's too narcissistic.
Yeah, he always sends us his videos. And guess
Which
what?
were
I never even watched them.
kind of shitty, not gonna lie.
But I almost got all the props in this area. I almost got all the props in this area.
You almost got all the tracks?
Yeah. When should we even end this video?
Right now?
Maybe. I want to try to at least stick to a bit more. The subway.
I mean, I did do a whole bunch.
Wait, have you been digging this entire time?
Yes.
Okay, I'm coming. You seriously dug this far? How? We even
Hey, dude.
We even left the crimson biome. Oh my god. I think I should have gotten more tracks. I'm already almost out again.
Well, the longer you take, the longer the tunnel will go.
Yeah. Dude, that entire time you've been mining, I literally got the tracks needed to, yeah. Wait, let me look how far. Okay, do you want to know exactly how far we are? From the temple. We are exactly halfway from the... No. We're almost at halfway to the dungeon. Almost at halfway. Wanna know what the best part is?
What?
I need to go all the way back again for, yeah, I need to go all the way back for tracks.
Kinda getting tired of digging.
Yeah, do you wanna go mining?
Boy!
Yeah, you're tired of digging, so now it's time to go mining, alright?
Get your stupid ass over here.
Oh. Well, I don't know about you, but I'm going mining. A goblin. Oh dear God! Teleport home right now. Teleport home. Teleport home. We got teleport home. There's a goblin now. Kid.
A goblin?
There's gotta be a goblin army. A bunch of goblins. Okay,
That's actually pretty good for our video.
yeah, it is. It is very good. Now, if you don't mind me while
goblin.
while that happens, I'm just gonna sell a bunch of trash I don't need.
Come at me, goblins.
And then they
Do
just
your
disappear.
worst.
And then they just disappear and never come back. Oh, also, I have 3 diamonds. I have 3 diamonds.
Is there even diamonds in this game?
Yes. I got them.
From the west.
Don't mind me as I... Oh dear God, they're here. Oh dear God, no. No. We gotta kill them all. No.
Oh my God.
Oh my God! There's a bunch of Squidwards here.
Here's you?
There's a bunch of Squidwards here.
More like Dobbies.
No, these ain't Dobbies. They're Squidwards.
Oh, no,
They're a bunch of Dobbies. Maybe a bunch of spooks. I don't know.
Oh, yo, what the fuck was that damage, my
Also,
guy?
the thieves literally steal stuff out.
It literally took 3 of my heart.
Go get the other side of the building. Okay, abort. Abort.
There's only one.
You get that side, I get this side because it's easier.
Boy, I get to do all the work.
Wait, there's actually quite a few on the side. And by quite a few, I mean there's 2 of them.
What?
We're only at 18%.
Yeah, so, dude, I'm about to die.
Alright, so remember to heal.
Yeah, thanks for
Okay, I got myself fully healed. Yo, what the hell was that damage?
Wait, I have a plan. I'm using my yo-yo.
What's a yo-yo gonna do?
This. Well, I'm killing all of them.
Sure, you know what? I know exactly. I'm gonna use my chain. I am literally dodging every arrow right now. And then I just...
seriously.
Jesus Christ, how long will this take?
We're only halfway done.
There's so many freaking bow and arrows. And I freaking died again.
Remove the tombstones before this turns into literal graveyard.
Oh, frick. Yeah, right. Tombstones. Ow! Frick you! Got one. Bro, frick off! Gosh sake.
Alright, now I'm gonna get the ones which have snuck inside, alright?
Let me okay, I removed the tombstones. Oh my god. Holy crap, they like never miss a shot. This is insane.
Hey, wait a second, I wonder. Can I run this little guy over? Oh my god.
Excuse me? Hello? He's not taking any damage?
Hey, this is great strategy right here. Wait.
I can dodge, motherfucker.
Oh my god, that was a close one.
Oh, freaking teleport. But I died, God, who knows how many times.
No, no, I have too much gold. No, no, no.
I didn't even get 1 gold at all.
I have 20 gold. I'm kidding.
How do you even get gold?
You get it from coins and crop.
Points?
Coins. Okay, that's it. I'm running.
Where even are you?
I'm fleeing like a little coward because I do not want to die. I'm not losing this crop. Oh my god.
There's so many freaking... Oh my god, what was that damage? I can't... Oh, I got a badge. Sweet.
Oh, pop. What order?
Dude, I can't even get to the freaking
We
nerves.
did it. Wait, are they still
What do you
there?
mean? Dude, I cannot even get to the nerves.
I like how I was doing crap at first, but then I literally quit.
Did we just break the door down?
Yup. Ooh, pizza chop.
Okay, should we end the video here?
Yeah, we probably should.
Yeah.
This is gonna take forever to edit, actually.
Oh,
Yeah.
let's do it.
I still find
Let's
it.
call it a day.
Wait, look at me, look at me. Damn it. I abandoned you for the end of the fight. I literally ran down the subway for miles.
You piece of shit! Get your ass over here!